What's going on, everybody? I'm Mecca here, and it is Monday. It is absolutely stunning outside today here in Monterrey, Mexico. I don't know if you can see that, but man, just came back from the barbers and excited to dive back into the house to get some work done. Actually, I might go remote today and hit up Starbucks. But hey, if you're brand new to the channel, nice to meet you. My name's Mecca. On this channel, I try to get three things accomplished: show you how you can increase your income, take back your freedom, and design your ultimate lifestyle. Doing that on various ways, basically just documenting on these type of videos, documenting what I've been doing week to week for the last year or so on just building a passive income for me and my family and designing our lifestyle and taking back our freedom. So that is what it's all about. So let's kick off with a couple things here. So last week's thing here, I was talking about how I was playing around with one of my books on raising the price. Typically, ebooks, you don't want to have them priced, if you don't have a following, you don't want to price them more than $2.99. So I've been playing around with one, and I bumped it up like a couple weeks ago to $3.99, and sales maintained, and now it's at $4.99. And this is a single ebook. And sales this week, I think I sold like 3 or 4 copies less than the week before. So ebook sales haven't dropped off too much. Now, my assistant who sends me all the reports is in the middle of exams right now, so I didn't get the full report, the full breakdown. I had to just kind of do it all manually. But ebook sales didn't really drop, and so that's kind of interesting. So I don't know. I'm gonna keep paying attention to this, because this could be a way for you to put more money in your pocket by possibly, pricing your single ebooks a little higher. I don't know. What are you doing? What are you pricing your ebooks at? Now, keep in mind, full disclaimer, I got an email list and a following for this. This brand I've been building for over a year or so, on Amazon. So it's not like it's a brand new niche and all of a sudden instead of $2.99, I'm pricing these books for $3.99. What's going on here? Okay, I gotta take this call. Oh man, you there? He's not even gonna know he's gonna be on the vlog here. All right. Hey, buddy. You want to say hi really quick? You on my weekly update?
Oh snap! What's up, weekly update?
All right, guys. Hey, I gotta take this call. I'm gonna hit you up in 1 second. We'll be back. All right, I'm back. So that was one of my students, Omid, and it's all one of the things that I just absolutely love is connecting with you. Whether or not you're a student of mine or your follower, I got into this business to be able to find a way to connect with individuals more. I started Kindle publishing to free up my job. I left that job like a year ago because of the Kindle publishing income. But then why did I start a course or coaching, mentoring, whatever you want to call it? Connect with people. And in fact, I just did a major change to my group mentoring. I'm now doing individual calls every single month with each member, just because I love that connection with individuals and giving them ideas and helping grow their business and helping inspire them, because that inspires me and that gets me excited about what I'm doing. Just like that little call that I just had with him. I probably got more out of it than he did, just because, he was telling me his ideas and they were inspiring me. And that's what this is all about, right? Business is just about connecting with people and building relationships and all of that fun jazz. So, but all right, let's get back to the update. So another big thing that I'm doing this week is growing myself personally. It's funny. I was watching this video of this guy on YouTube, and I think he'd been doing some Amazon selling or something like that. But he talked about his kind of, it was like, I guess the 5 things he learned or something. One of the things really struck me, and it's like, as I was getting more and more success, I stopped growing and stopped learning. And I was like, man, that's so true. I have a read in a while. And that's just not cool, because if you're not growing, you're dying. If you're not growing, you're dying. And when you're not exercising your mind, at least for me, not exercising my mind means I get stressed easy. I can't make, I don't see things as clear. So that was one of the focuses or decisions that I made a few days ago, and it's been good. I got a book by my bedside. I've been reading it every single day. It's Expert Secrets. I've had it for months and I haven't finished it. But man, just sitting down and reading it, just taking a time away from all of this, from YouTube and from the internet, from disconnecting and just getting absorbed in a book, phenomenal. I think every single business owner, entrepreneur, you got to be reading something. It's so key. It's so key. Excuse me here, I got my throat. But yeah, other than that, things are going good. Things are going good. No complaints. I can't think of what else to really say. So I'm going to go inside. I'm going to get some more work done. Hope all of you are having an absolute fantastic week, and keep pushing towards your goals. Keep pushing towards what you want to get accomplished, and reach out to me. Let's connect.